So we got the portable vacuum bags from Nicetree, and in this video, I'm going to show you everything that you receive with your purchase, and then a quick guide on how to use these. So here's what you get. So you can get the 18 reusable bags, super simple. They're going to be a small, medium, and large size, and I'll show you the different sizes here in 1 second. You're also going to get some ceiling clips, and you're going to get that portable vacuum. So this is really nice. It does not have to be plugged in, just needs to be charged with a simple charging cable, and they give you that as well. So these are going to be awesome for any type of home organization task you may want to do, or traveling, just kind of keep your luggage and stuff a little bit smaller. But at this point, I'm going to bring the camera over here and I'll show you the different sizes of these bags. Okay, so here's going to be the different sizes that you get. So you can get the small one, which is 20 inches. And what's nice too is everything is clearly labeled for you. So this will be the small one. Your medium is going to be that 24-inch. Then you're going to get a large 28-inch one. So like the small one's great for your socks, underwear type things. Probably put your sweatshirts in the 24, and then maybe for your winter coats or larger items like blankets, stuff like that, I would put in the 28-inch larger one. And then just so you see the quality of these, so you're going to have double zipper up top here and a triple seal valve. And this is pretty durable, so these should last quite a while for you, and you can reuse them. Okay, so now how to actually use this. It's very, very simple. So I'm going to put some of my winter jackets in here because winter's over. If you're in a cold place, you know how big and bulky these jackets are. So I'm just going to fold it up like this, and we will slide the jacket in there. Very, very easy. All right, now this is the large bag. So as you can see, I could easily fit another jacket in here, but just for the demonstration, I'm only going to do one. So now at this point, we're just going to seal it shut, and then we'll start using the vacuum. And then to seal it, it's just like a Ziploc bag, so you can just do it by your hands. Otherwise, they do give you these sealing clips too that you can kind of go back and forth to make sure you have it completely sealed. Okay, now for the vacuuming part. So it's just a one button to turn it on. Just heads up, it's kind of loud because I have my microphone on, but all you do is press that, and it'll start going for you. So we're just going to take our valve off here, put our vacuum on there, and we're just going to press that button. That's really all you have to do. Just like that, this thing is completely vacuum sealed shut. That took maybe 30 seconds to do. So here's what the finished product looks like. So I've used these bags for a bunch of different things. I moved across the country. I had all these blankets, jackets, stuff like that. So these things were a lifesaver for me. I basically could fit my entire closet and so much more into my car just because I had everything nicely vacuum sealed like this. So they're awesome for that. Great for storage. I can fill your closet up with them. So if your closet's overflowing, this might be a good option to help you out with that, or just for travel too. If you're going to some place, you got to bring a bunch of jackets. Obviously, you can only fit so many jackets into a suitcase. This is going to help you out with that. So I'm very, very happy with these. They're reusable, easy to use. I love the portable vacuum. No hand pumps, no plug it in. Just press a button like I showed you, and you're good to go. So very happy with this. I give it 2 thumbs up.